For every construction, first we will go for the soil test. After soil test, we will check whether it is suitable for isolated footing or combined footing or mat footing or raft footing or pile footing, etc., etc. In here, the soil is suitable for isolated footing and designed for isolated footing. And here first we check the depth of excavation, and we take excavation for all footing area and make it level. Today I am showing you isolated footing. In here all footing are isolated footing. You can see first all ground level made level by using shovel and compact with using road roller. And made PCC of 10 cm for each isolated footing, having extra 4 side 10 cm given. You can see this footing, this is 10 cm extra. The footing come up to here. This area is PCC given 10 cm for 4 side. And one thing is, before doing PCC, we done pesticide spray below the PCC. After that, 500 micron polythene sheet is provided below the footing. Or all isolated footing below, we provided 500 micron polythene sheet. You can see all below the PCC. And by the dummy level, make all PCC shuttering area mark 10 cm for getting accurate level for all area. And after that 3-day curing, we made shuttering for footing. This is isolated footing. This is some small combined footing, but major 99% of this footing are isolated footing. The depth of the footing is 50 cm, and the covering provided bottom and side also 5 cm, 15 mm. You can see the covering block. This is bottom covering block. All footing we provide covering block 5 cm side and bottom also, and place the steel reinforcement for footing mesh and column also provided, and check the level and provide vertically all the reinforcement column steel bar vertically. Now the shuttering of the footing is 99% is finished. Some support only remain. This all area support also finished. This is a villa project. and the villa area is totally 800 m square. For each villa 200 m square. Now you can see all the footing are marked by the point by using total station. You can see all the corner of the footing, there is a mark. This is made by total station survey. You can see all footing. For each footing 3 marks are provided by using the 3 points are provided for each footing. You can see the corner of each footing. For getting accurate and precision in the footing, we provide this method. For making PCC, we mark grid line by leveling two sides. This side mark A, B, C, and that side mark 1, 2, 3, 4 grid line, and this side also same, and this side also mark same as it is. And make PCC by using normal grid line marking, and for column marking we use total station for getting more accuracy. Okay, anyway, this is the isolated footing. In this we want to check all column reinforcement and footing reinforcement before casting. Now I am starting to check all the reinforcement bar, is it provided okay or not. Before casting we want to check the covering is given for all footing mesh or not. If there is no covering provided, we want to provide cover and make it sure. Otherwise the steel may corrode due to direct contact with soil, and it will be reduce the strength of the structure. Okay, let us conclude this video. I will come back again with a new video by concreting this isolated footing. Okay, see you later. I am Jamshir, engineer Jamshir. Okay, see you later.